Welcome back to the new tutorial. In this video, I will guide you how to move text up in the MS Word. Make sure moving text in Microsoft Word can mean several things: reordering paragraph, adjusting vertical alignment, or moving text boxes. But here are the most effective ways to do it. So the fastest way to move a block of text up or down without cutting and pasting, select the paragraph, or either you can place your cursor in the paragraph. And now press the Alt Shift plus up arrow key to move the text up. Alt Shift and arrow up key to move the text up, like this one. And when you press the down arrow key, the paragraph will be down. So if you want to place text in a specific spot that does not follow standard line format, then go to the Insert tab and select the text box and select the Draw a Text Box and draw a text box and type the desired text inside the box. For example, nature is beautiful. And now move the cursor to the edge until the cursor becomes a four-sided arrow. Then click and drag it to desired position, like this one. So if you want to remove the border outline, then go to the shape and go to the shape outline and click no outline. You can see that the border has been removed. But whenever you click in that, you will see that border, so you can move it anywhere easily. Moreover, there is another way to change vertical alignment on the page. For this, to shift the text towards the top of the page, ideal for the title page. For this, you need to go to the Layout tab, click the small arrow in the corner of the page setup group to open the dialog box. Then select the Layout tab within the window, and then in the vertical alignment drop down, you need to select the top if you prefer the top, and if you want to move it to the bottom, click bottom and click OK. And here you can see that your text has been moved to the bottom of the page. So now I hope you understand how to move text up in the MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.